How to create an Amazon wish list and share it. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your favorite products with friends. First, you need to open the Amazon.com in your web browser. Click on your profile from the top right corner. Then click on Create a List. Give it a name. Then click on Create List. As you can see, the list is created on the left panel. Click on it and then click on three dots from the right corner. Then click on Manage List. Set its privacy to public so you can share it. Click on Save Changes. Now you can send this list to your friends by clicking here. Also, you can set the access option for them. You can either copy the link or invite them via email. Now from its home page, select the items that you want to add in your wish list. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.